Okay, this video is for Algebra 2 for Tuesday, April 30th, 2024, or in years future, who knows. I'm sorry. I guess I don't need to cover up, do I? All right, two things in today's lessons. One is something called radian measure. And radian measure is another way to measure how many degrees or how far around a circle you're going. So we have 360 degrees is once around, as you all know, 90 degrees is a quarter of the way around. Well, something called radians is even better. It uses the idea that circumference equals 2 pi r, and if the radius equals 1, the circumference is 2 pi. So on degrees, we call it 360 around a circle, and something called radians, we call it 2 pi. When I'm back, I'll explain why that's a way better to do it. Well, we can multiply anything by 1, as you know. Well, since 2 pi is once around a circle, and 360 degrees, so you can multiply by this because it equals 1, or we could reduce it and it equals that. Also, we have these two ideas. So let me show you how we convert degrees into radians. 30 degrees, we simply take it times 1, and what we do is we take it times pi over 180, take it times pi over 180, and then we simplify the fraction 30 over 180. So it goes in 10 times for sure, and 3 goes into 18 6 times. And so how we write this is pi over 6. To convert 135 degrees, we take it times pi over 180. All right, now we just reduce the fraction 135 over 180. So that goes in 5 times, oh my, I can't do that in my head. I knew that, 36, and that goes in 5 times 27. So it went in 5 times to get us that, and now I can see 9 goes into both of those. So that's a 3 and that's a 4. So and I get an answer of 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4. All I was doing was reducing the fraction 135 over 180. Where is it? That's all I was doing. All right, 300 degrees. Take it times pi over 180. And now we simply are reducing, we're right here, we're simply reducing 300 over 180. Well, the 10 goes out really easy. So now it's 30 over 18. And I see 6 goes into both of them. And that's a 3, and that's a 5. And what is left is 5 pi over 3. Again, all you're doing is reducing this fraction. All you're doing is reducing this fraction 300 over 180. Now, when I want to convert radians to degrees, I just do the reciprocal, and I take it times 180 over pi. And it's actually an easy thing to do, because if the pi's on top, you use the one with the pi's on bottom, and they just cross each other out. And then 4 goes into 180, and that reduces to a good old 45 degrees. Pi over 2, take it times 180 over pi. The pi's cross out. And now just reduce 2, and that just goes 90 times. And 3 pi over 1, take it times 180 over pi. The pi's cross out, and it's just 3 times 180, and it's 540 degrees. You can watch this again on slow, it'll work. And part 2 is complex fractions today on Tuesday the 30th. You write them side by side. You write 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. Write them side by side. KFC. Keep it, change it to a times, flip it. 1/2 times 2 over root 3. The 2's you'll see cancel out. You get 1 over root 3. Oh no, that's horrible. Take it times root 3 over root 3. And you get root 3 over 3. Everyone say, I get that. Write it side by side. Root 5 over 7 divided by root 2 over 14. Right there. KFC. Keep it. Times it. Right there. The 7 and 14 nicely cross out into a 2. and we get 2 root 5 over root 2. Oh no, no one likes the root 2 on bottom. Take times root 2 over root 2, and you get 2 root 10 over 2. The 2's cross away, you get a root 10. Say, I get it. I hope you get it. Help each other. I hope I'm back Wednesday. Who knows? Who knows? All right. Work hard. Be nice to the substitute teacher. See you Wednesday, Thursday, whenever. Bye.